Very good morning, student. I am present over here with my new lecture. So, welcome to all of you. I hope that you are well. You all are well. All the family members are well, and I pray to God that all must be well. So, dear students, today's topic. This is the second lecture of the third chapter NCERT, and my today's topic is kinematics and its variables. Here, although I have discussed about such topic in first lecture, definition of the kinematics in first lecture, but today I will explain it again and then I will check the variables. So, kine means motion. Matic means, just explain kine. Matics means motion, that is study of motion. Study of motion plus matrix. अर्थमेटिक समझना अर्थमेटिक. डू यू नो अर्थमेटिक? हिंदी में अंक गणित कहते हैं. अंक, डू यू नो अंक? नंबर्स, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. सो स्टडी ऑफ मोशन विथ न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, विथ मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू. सो मैट्रिक्स में आ गया मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू. मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू, यस. सो मैंने लिखा बेटा काइनेमेटिक एंड इट्स वेरिएबल्स. सो व्हाट आर द वेरिएबल्स? Which are the variables? So we will study in the kinematics some variables. These are: first one, displacement, oblique distance. Everybody know, you have studied such in 9th class or maybe before that 6th, 7th, 8th. Normal definition. Second point, speed oblique velocity. Next one, acceleration. Next one, force, and so on. So these are some physical quantity in the term of variable which we'll study in the kinematics with their mathematical value. So we can define the kinematics. It is the branch of physics or sub branch of the physics or sub branch of the mechanics. May I write it here? It is sub branch of mechanics in which we study about motion of mechanical particles or mechanical tools. Machines लिखो, motion of machines. Without cause, it is compulsion here. Without an account of cause. कॉज की बात करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 5 में. देयर आर न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द मोशन? इट विल बी डिस्कस इन द चैप्टर नंबर 5th. In chapter number, third or fourth, fourth and fifth. But in the chapter number 3rd, only the study of motion of the machine. So you can take one screenshot if you want. Otherwise, I want to just start. Okay, so you can take. So let's start the first variable, and it is the distance. How we will define the distance? It is actual path length which traveled by object between two positions. So this is the actual path, means if the path is straight, then A to B, or the separation or the length or the steps or the traveling distance from A to B, this is known as the distance. It is the actual path length which travel by object between two positions. Sorry beta, two positions. ये वाला two है. Is it clear? A to B. For example, suppose first traveling distance A to B. Suppose it is given by 4 meter. Clear? Second step, B to C. It is given by 3 meter. And then C to A. So by Pythagoras, do you know how much will be there? And it will be 5 centimeters. Sorry, 5 meter. 5 meter. So now the actual path length or total distance. How can I express? Total distance equal to actual path length A to B, that is AB, plus B to C and BC plus C to A, CD. How much? Substitute here. 4 plus 3 plus 5. How much it will be? 4 plus 3, 7, 5, 12. That is 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 5, 12 meter. It is the actual path length initially from A to B, B to C, and then C to A. So it is known as the distance or total distance. Is it clear? Or maybe suppose any regular path, it is position of A here, and just you can move like that. B point. So it is the actual path which traveled by the object in zigzag motion. A to B. It is also known as A to B, that is actual path. Is it clear? So what are the conditions for that? So there are few conditions. How? One more example. Suppose, yes, this is the circular path. Circular path. On the circular path, suppose object is start initial, and initial point is A, and then it will return, radius R. Suppose on the circular path, if it is making few rounds, suppose if it will start from A and then return to the point of A, it will start from A, return to same point, then path length equal to how much? 2 pi r. Mathematically everybody know. Circle hai. How much circumference? 2 pi r. Suppose it is start from here and finishing here. then how much is that? ये कितना हुआ बेटा? A to B point. How can calculate? 2 pi r divided by 4. It is the quarter part. Suppose it is here. Object start from A. Clear? And then rest at C. A से स्टार्ट किया, B पर आया, B से C तक आ गया. A से B तक कितना? 2 pi r total circumference divided by 4. Now till here, this is first, this is second, third point. 2 pi r divided by 2. You have to remind that 2 cancel. It is the total path length. Yes. We can say that A to C direct. This is the different physical quantity. Suppose another another definition. Next one, suppose here till here, then 2 pi r over 3. Till here. Clear? Sorry beta, sorry into 3 by 4. Till here half, till here 3 by 4. Total how much? 4 part divided by 3 by 4. So we can calculate the total path length. It is known as the distance. And other conditions are, one is that, second other condition, never be 0. Never be 0. A से चला बेटा, चलते फिर A पर आ गया. डिस्टेंस टोटल 2 pi r. 0 नहीं कह सकते. नेक्स्ट, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. अरे डिस्टेंस तो बेटा आगे स्टेप चलेंगे फॉरवर्ड में, और आगे स्टेप चलेंगे तो डिस्टेंस तो जो हमारे पास में, अच्छा एक मिनट, क्या कहते हैं उसको, जो गाड़ियों में लगा होता है ना, जिससे पता करते हैं कि कितनी डिस्टेंस गाड़ी चल गई, ऑडोमीटर. तो इस ऑडोमीटर में गाड़ी को आप घुमाते रहो या बैक में चलाते रहो. बैक में चला लो, गाड़ी बैक में है, डिस्टेंस थोड़ी बैक में है, तो क्या लिखेंगे? नेवर बी 0, नेवर बी नेगेटिव या ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. नेवर बी नेगेटिव. ध्यान रखना है, डिस्टेंस को कभी भी नेगेटिव कंसीडर नहीं कर सकते. सो दीज आर फ्यू पॉइंट्स ऑफ द डिस्टेंस. क्लियर? यू कैन टेक वन स्क्रीनशॉट. Second variable, that is the displacement. It is the second form of the distance, second phase of the distance, displacement. How we will explain? It is shortest distance, means it is also distance between, not between, from initial to final position. Initial to final position means the point from where the motion is start and the point where the motion is end. So the distance from initial to that final position, that is known as the distance. How? Same example as, suppose 4, 3 and yes. Suppose it is the initial point and it is the final point, maybe B and C. So A to C, this is the A to C. It is the shortest displacement. How much will be? 4, 3, that at 5. Pythagoras theorem. 4 square plus 3 square. Calculate करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 5 आएगा. So distance was here. Distance कितना था? एक बार लिखो तो बेटा. Distance कितना? 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 5 12 meter. But the displacement will be A to C direct, and it is, displacement will be 5 only. Is it clear? Or in other cases, suppose in square cases, here A, B, C, D and A. If object is start from A to B, then that way to C, then C to D and D to A. It is of 2, so it is also 2. It is of 3, it is also 3. Clear? Clear? Object is start from A and then take one round and again come to the A. Means A to B, then B to C, then C to D. Distance, how much there, beta? A to B 3, B to C 2, 3 plus 2 5, C to D 3, 5 plus 3 8, D to A 2, 8 plus 2 10, 10 meter. It is the distance, but the displacement here shortest A to A, that is 0. Wow. So displacement is possible as 0. A to B, A to B. What is condition? Distance how much? 3 meter. Displacement how much? Also 3 meter. So what conclusion is here? In straight path, in straight rod, in straight length, distance and displacement remain same. So A to B, 3 meter, distance or displacement both. A to C, A to C. Till A to C, distance how much here? Distance A to C. How much? 3 plus 2, that is 5. It is the distance. But displacement how much? By the using of Pythagoras theorem, A to C. 3 square plus 2 square. Root laga lijiye. Is it clear? In the case of that circle? Yes. Suppose object is start. Yes. Origin, radius, initial point. Suppose second point B, third point C and fourth point D. Now it is given by R, radius hai. It is also will be R. A to B, how much distance? Distance beta, distance will be 2 pi R. Total circumference का ये कितना part है बेटा? Divided by 4. This is the distance A to B. But how we will calculate the displacement? So we have to draw a line. Is it clear? A to B direct. AB equal to under root base square plus perpendicular square. That is R square plus R square. It will be under root 2R square. R take common, out of root then. R root 2. Or maybe, 2 root R. Yes. Same thing. Is it clear? Is it clear? So this is the displacement. Suppose object is A to C. A to C. A to C beta. Distance A से B, B से C तक का टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? देखो टोटल आधा सर्कमफ्रेंस कितना है? 2 पाई r डिवाइड बाय 2, दैट इज पाई r. ये तो आ गया डिस्टेंस. डिस्प्लेसमेंट A to C डायरेक्ट. Displacement will be beta R plus R. R plus R, that is 2R. Wow, it is pi R. It is 2R. Is it clear? Is it clear? Finally, suppose object start from A and initially start from A and it will come to the same point, then displacement will be 0, but distance will be 2 pi R. Wow. So distance may be, never be 0, but it may be 0 also. It may be 0 also. Is it clear? So I will write a few differences of the distance and displacement. You can take one screenshot. Now the difference between distance and displacement. So how we can define them in a different manner? Let's say start first one. I want to draw few diagrams. Yes. Here also. No need of it. Yes. One is here. Yes. Same is here. Yes. It can also rough from here. Same points A, B, C. A, B, C. Clear? Yes. Second, in circular. In circular. Clear? Third, it is distance. Yes. 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 Here only straight path. A and B. A and B. First path, second path, third path. Initially, radius are point A. It is of B. It is of C and D. Same thing is here also. R here and here. A, B, C and D. Clear? Clear? So these are the situations. I will explain them. Initially, first one, total path length between initial to final. इनिशियल से लेकर बेटा फाइनल तक का टोटल पाथ लेंथ। यहां आ जाओ वही सेम, मैंने कहा 4 3 इट इज 5, 4 3 इट इज 5। एग्जांपल ले से कितना आएगा टोटल पाथ लेंथ A to B, B to C, C to A, that is 12। 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12। now here अब यहां से डिफाइन करें। चलिए ये it is shortest distance from here, from initial to final position। yes, now here example here AC equal to 5। clear? Suppose it is given by 10, AB equal to 10 from here, A to B, B to A to B, B to C, C to D, A to B, B to C, C to D, and beta last and D to A, it is 0। A to B, B to C, C to D, that is 0। A to C, A to C direct 2R। is it clear? It is the displacement। but now here A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A equal to 2 pi r total circumference। clear? ये देखो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, these are the different way, so they can consider as distance only, never be displacement only A to B, same thing is there। so this is the normal definition also। now here what is the condition here? A to B, B to C 0, it may be possible 0। second point, it may be 0 but इधर कहीं दिखा नो। second point, it never be जीरो। ये कभी जीरो नहीं होगा, ये जीरो भी पॉसिबल है, जहां से चला फिर वहीं आ गया। क्लियर? और एक चीज देखिए बेटा, ए बी, वेयर इज दैट? ए टू बी, सॉरी यस, ए बी सपोज ये में कितना है 10। इन स्ट्रेट पाथ डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिमेन सेम। सो डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट में बी इक्वल और इट इज लेस, इट इज ग्रेटर। तो डिस्टेंस को क्या लिखेंगे? ये बराबर हो सकती है, बड़ी हो, ज्यादा हो सकती है। क्या लिखूंगा बेटा? थर्ड पॉइंट, इट मे बी इक्वल और greater. Clear? So same thing there in third point, it may be equal or smaller. कम हो सकती है, छोटी हो सकती है, बराबर हो सकती है, never be greater, never be smaller than the distance, never be smaller than the displacement, displacement never be greater than the distance. Is it clear? Is it clear? Next one, most, fourth point, it is scalar quantity. Yes, ये बेटा स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, मीन्स नो नीड ऑफ द डायरेक्शन, no direction, but here it is vector. This is the vector quantity because always indicate the direction, because for the shortest A to C direct it is vector, means with the direction, always with the direction. Clear? All clear? It never be negative. जीरो तो लिख दिए, ठीक है। It never be negative. It may be negative. Yes, ये पॉसिबल है बेटा। It may be negative. ये नेगेटिव। अब आप कहेंगे कि सर समझाओ तो कैसे हुआ नेगेटिव? देखो कैसे होगा, कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम आ जाते हैं थोड़ा सा। इन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम यस, एक्स एक्सिस एक्स डैश ओरिजिन, वाई एक्सिस एंड वाई डैश। क्लियर? इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज सपोज मूविंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन 5 मीटर फॉरवर्ड, 2 मीटर वाई एक्सिस, again 5 meter backward plus 3 meter forward and then back 2 meter. So it is the A point, B point, C point, D point or E point. O to E, this is the negative distance. Yani OE, this is negative distance. When object start from O to A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. So O to E, this is the negative distance. Opposite quadrant पर आ गई इधर? Yes. एक या थोड़ा सा साफ लिखो। Negative distance, sorry, negative OE, negative displacement. Now here same thing I will explain here. मैं डायग्राम नहीं बनाऊंगा, इसी से समझाऊंगा। O to A 5 plus A to B 2 plus B to C 5 plus C to D 3 plus D to C D to E, that is 2. How much is there? 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 2 17. This is 17 positive value. This is 17 meter and it is how much? देखो ये और ये दोनों बराबर है क्या, इक्वल है ना, तो इक्वल टू -3 मीटर, इट इज नेगेटिव डिस्प्लेसमेंट। इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर? यस। टेक वन स्क्रीनशॉट। One example is saying, suppose a object moving on the circular path of radius r, if it is completing one round, start from here, one round A to B, B to C here, yes, C and D, it is completing one round in T1 equal to 10 seconds. For example, one round 10 seconds, रेडियस कैपिटल R, ठीक है, ठीक है। कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस ऑब्लिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट, सॉरी, फाइंड डिस्टेंस in 50 सेकेंड। तो t इक्वल टू 50 सेकेंड में डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा, हाउ मच डिस्प्लेसमेंट। सो लेट्स सी, कंप्लीट वन राउंड टेकन 10 सेकेंड, टू राउंड 20 सेकेंड, थ्री राउंड 30 सेकेंड, 4 राउंड 40 सेकेंड, 5 राउंड 50 सेकेंड। सो आई एम सेइंग दैट कि 50 सेकेंड में कितना डिस्टेंस चलेगा, कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट चलेगा। इनिशियली फॉर द डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी राउंड्स, डिस्टेंस इन 5 राउंड, सॉरी in 50 second, 50 second, distance in 50 second will travel 5 rounds। कितने राउंड हो गए, 5 राउंड। तो डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ बेटा, डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू 5 इंटू एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस चलेगा, 2 पाई आर। एक राउंड में 2 पाई आर, दूसरे राउंड में फिर 2 पाई आर, तीसरे राउंड में फिर 2 पाई आर। मैंने सीधा 5 राउंड बना दिया ना। t इक्वल टू 50 सेकेंड मीन्स 5 राउंड, यहां लिख लो ना, 5 राउंड। कोई दिक्कत, कोई दिक्कत, नो नो दिक्कत। नेक्स्ट वन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट। डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज वेरी इजी, 0 भैया, मे बी 1 राउंड, 2 राउंड, 3 राउंड, many of the round, but displacement is 0. Same thing here, A to C. Suppose she is saying that in time of 55 seconds. अब बताओ, 1 round 10 seconds, second round 20 seconds, third round 30, fourth round 40, 5 round 50. Now here 5.5 round 55 seconds. So distance in 5 plus half round कितना आएगा बेटा, 5.5 लिख सकते हो इसे मे बे, इंटू 2 पाई आर। इज इट क्लियर? ऐसा कर सकते हो या तो। और डिस्प्लेसमेंट हियर, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना आएगा बेटा, A to C आएगा, इसमें ध्यान रखना है। AC इक्वल टू R प्लस R, दैट इज 2R। ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना आया, AC 2R। ये कितना आया, 5.5 इंटू 2 पाई आर। एक राउंड में 2 पाई आर, 5.5 कितना हुआ, 5.5 का मतलब 5.5 राउंड। ठीक है, ठीक है, चलिए स्क्रीनशॉट कीजिए। One another example. Suppose a man is standing in front of the east direction. सामने ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में फेस करके खड़ा है। It is east west, east, west, north, north, and this is south. क्लियर? यही होता है स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है. ए मैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन से उसने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया इन मॉर्निंग वॉक. फर्स्ट 500 मीटर ईस्ट. तो 500 मीटर ईस्ट बेटा मैंने ये बना दिया 500 मीटर हियर ईस्ट. देन आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट सेकेंड स्टेप में 300 मीटर नॉर्थ. 300 मीटर नॉर्थ इधर चला के ये आप एक काम कीजिए ईस्ट में से खड़े हो जाओ. फिर ईस्ट में खड़े होने के बाद में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि मेरे जो ये नॉर्थ इधर नॉर्थ है, मैं इधर मुड़ गया. कितना? 300. क्लियर? एंड देन कितना? 800 मीटर विच डायरेक्शन? वेस्ट. 800 वेस्ट. यहां से पहले तो वापस ही आएगा बेटा. कितना? 500 प्लस 300 हियर. दिस इज 500 प्लस 300 800 हो गया. इज इट क्लियर? Origin, this point is A, it is said to be B, it is C, and now it is D. Clear? And then again, fourth step. 300 in south. This is south. 300 is south. So it is here. And this point is, or maybe not 300, maybe 600 in south. So 300 is that, and again 300 is here. So it is here. CD point E, and it is of F. Clear? Now, first. Total distance कितना होगा बेटा? 500 plus 300 plus 500. 5 plus 3 दोनों को ऐड करता हूं. D2D 800 plus 300 ये वाला plus 300 also. Calculate it. 5 3 8 8 8 16 16 17 18 19 19 or 3 22. How much is length? 22 19 3 2200 meter. This is the total distance or path length which is traveled by a man. Clear? Is it clear? Now displacement. So how we will calculate the displacement here? This is the direct shortest. O to F. This is 300. This is also 300 beta. Pythagoras theorem लगा दो, triangle बन गया. OF equal to under root 300 square plus 300 square. Now we will calculate the distance. Is it clear? And such displacement is negative. It's negative. In which direction here? Yes. Displacement is negative now. यहाँ जो भी वैल्यू आएगा क्या आएगा बेटा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट नेगेटिव होगा एक तो. ठीक, यही यहां भी पूछ सकता था इधर ऐसे. इट वाज पॉजिटिव बट हियर नेगेटिव. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज नेगेटिव. क्लियर? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है बेटा. सिंपल एग्जांपल है. और इट मे बी से दैट सपोज अगेन F2 G 300 and then again return G2 O 300. In last he is saying that then O to A in last displacement is 0 and distance फिर सबको ऐड कर दीजिएगा. सेम 2200 कहां तक आया ये 300 plus 300 600 more means 600 plus then it will be 2800 meter. Displacement 0, distance 2800. Is it clear? So such type of question you will find in the competition exam also. A person is standing in front of the in the direction of sun rises east and then he is taking turn. मैं इसको explain कर दूं. He is taking turn. I am there according to that. Taking turn left. So left north direction and then again left east west direction. Then again left south direction till here and then again left G and then again left. सारे में लेफ्ट घूमते घूमते कहां पहुंच गया जहां से आया था. तो इसलिए डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ बेटा 0. आई थिंक जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट और इसके जो ग्राफ है वो हमने इसमें कर लिए हैं, सॉरी इसमें बता दिए हैं. अब जो अगला वेरिएबल है वो है आपका स्पीड और वेलोसिटी. ठीक है, चलिए उसे आगे